a champion,
Welcome back to my channel. This is Gigi's Talk Girl Closet, and I'm Gigi. I got a flu shot yesterday, so if I have the sniffles during this video, that's why. I don't think I'm sick. I just think I just got the sniffles from the flu shot that I got. But in today's video, we're going to be doing a wig review. And the wig that I'm going to be reviewing is from HARLEM125. She is from MissBarnes.com. And she is a TBL32 unit. This is what she looks like. And I got her in the color SGD dark teal. So I wanted to get a teal look going with my teal girl. The two of us are teal babies. Anyway, okay, so like I said in my other wig review, there are 5 points I look for: the lace, big head friendly, the realness of it, the shedding, and the price point. So we're going to look at her, go through all 5 of the things that I look for in my wig review when I purchase a unit, and see if she's worth it. I can't remember how much I paid for her, but I'll leave that down in the description as well. And yeah, let's get started with her. Okay, so we're gonna open her up here. Alright, she also comes in other colors. Wow, she comes in a lot of colors. There's like ocean gray, there's purple blue, there's your other normal colors, and then there's coral. And yeah, she comes in a wide array of colors. This ocean gray. Well, see, I'm 46, so I wonder how the ocean gray would look on me. Would it actually make me look 46? Or would it make me look 36? So, yeah. I think, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, let's take her out. Also, I forgot to mention that this is a braided unit. She's pretty long too, but she's braided. I don't know if you can see that. And she does have baby hairs, and they are sparse. I don't have to go in and do any tweezing or plucking. They're sparse baby hairs, which means they're going to be perfect and they're going to blend perfect. And yeah, we're going to get started here. So let's take this off. I really like the color. Okay, so she is a 13 by 4. And that's what she looks like there. Can you see that color though, y'all? Get into that color. Isn't it gorgeous? Perfect for the fall. Perfect. Alright. The lace looks pretty dark enough. Oh wow, I put it just right on my arm and it just blended in perfectly. I don't even see the lace anymore. And this is from the True line. So I think she's pre-plucked. I believe she's going to be pre-plucked for you guys. There is no lace in the back. Standard cap construction. There are 2 combs on each side, not at the top by the part, but each side there is a comb, and then there's also a comb in the back with, of course, the adjustable straps. So let's, oh, I like these braids. They're nice and neat, especially the little ones. The bigger ones, they don't look that tight, but the little braids look really tight, so they should hold for a good minute. But this is what she looks like, you guys. She's really long. She looks like she's about 20 inches long, which is perfect for me because I'm tall. I'm 6'2", so it'll give me some length. She's really soft. It's like a yaki texture, but she is really soft. But it's like a light yaki texture. So I'm going to cut off the lace, fix my baby hairs, add some powder into the parting area here, and I will be right back, you guys. Just stay tuned. Okay, I just wanted to come back on camera real quick before I go and cut the lace. But look at these baby hairs, you guys. Look how, like, perfect they are. Not too thick, not too thin. And the braids, perfect. Okay, I will be back after I cut the lace and fix the baby hairs. And then we'll get into the pros and the cons, okay? Okay, y'all. I got her applied on my head. I got the baby hair slicked down in place. I've got some powder in the parting space there. And she's pretty long. This is how long she is. So she does come above my boobs. There we go. Okay. Now let's get to the pros and cons of her. Again, her name is HARLEM125, 125 TBL32. True Braid Line 32. I'm believing that's what the TBL stands for, True Braid Line 32. So, is she big hair friendly? Ding! Yes, she is big hair friendly. The lace on this is perfect. It's perfect, you guys. I can't say anything else about it, but it's perfect. So yes, it's big hair friendly. Yes, the lace on it is perfect. Another pro, the realness of her. Another pro, like, she's not extra shiny and don't look fake. So she has just the perfect amount of sheen to her. She's just, yeah, she's good on that. Okay, now let's get into the cons. We said the pros. Let's get into the cons. She sheds. I just run my fingers through her like this, and she sheds. Not a lot, but she sheds. And the more I just kind of, I'm not even pulling hard on her, and yeah, and she's just coming out. So she sheds. That is the only con I have for her, is that she sheds. Other than that, she's gorgeous. I like the texture of her. She's big hair friendly. Look at those braids. They look dope. Look at that. That looks so nice. Yeah. So, yeah. Those are all my pros and cons about her. I'm gonna do a quick look at that, y'all. She shed, but it's okay. It's just a little shedding. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of shedding. But maybe that's just because I cut the lace and everything. So we'll see after I have her on for a while. We'll see if she stops shedding. Because if she stops shedding, she is bad. I like her a lot. She's really pretty, you guys. Okay, I'm going to end this video on that note. Like I said, I got her from mizbarn.com, MIZBARN.com. And she was affordable. So I'm going to leave the link down below to where I got her from and everything. And how much she was. I gave you guys all the pros and cons of her, so you know what's going on with her. But that's going to end this video. So I will see you guys in another one. My next video is going to be a makeup tutorial, and I'm going to have one of my girlfriends do the voiceover, and I'm going to be applying my Maniac, what is it, Makeup Maniacs palette, Uranus palette. That's gonna also be featured in my affordable makeup dupes, like palettes and stuff. So I have a lot of videos, well, not a lot, but I have a few videos that I'm coming up with, y'all. So just bear with me. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my other uploads, and push that notification bell. And I will see you guys in another one. Love you to the moon and back. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I'll see you in another one.